Everything around us is matter, from the air we breathe to the objects we use. But what exactly makes up all these materials? Matter is made of extremely tiny particles. These particles can combine in different ways, creating the many substances we see around us. Today, we'll classify matter into elements, compounds, and mixtures. Let's discover what makes each one different from the others. An atom is a basic unit of matter. Different types of atoms can combine to form the many substances found in our world. Not all atoms are the same. Different atoms have different properties, and each type can form a different element. Think of atoms as building blocks. Just as bricks build structures, atoms combine and arrange themselves to form different kinds of matter. An element is a pure substance made of only one type of atom. Each element has its own unique properties and characteristics. Examples of elements include iron, copper, oxygen, and gold. Each contains only one kind of atom, making it a pure substance. The key idea is simple. An element contains only one kind of atom. That is what makes it different from compounds and mixtures. A compound is a pure substance formed when two or more different elements chemically combine in fixed proportions. Water is a compound because hydrogen and oxygen atoms are chemically bonded together in a specific arrangement and proportion. When elements chemically combine, they form a new substance. It has properties different from the original elements. That is the important idea. A mixture forms when two or more substances are physically combined. Unlike compounds, the substances do not chemically bond together. In a mixture, each substance keeps many of its original properties. The components are combined physically, not chemically. Fruit salad, soil, and salt water are everyday mixtures. Their components are combined physically and can often be separated using physical methods. A homogeneous mixture has a uniform composition. Its components are evenly distributed, so the mixture appears the same throughout. Salt water is a common homogeneous mixture. Once the salt dissolves, it becomes evenly distributed throughout the water. Because the components are evenly distributed, a homogeneous mixture usually appears as one uniform face to our eyes. A heterogeneous mixture has a non-uniform composition. Its different components can often be seen separately within the mixture. Fruit salad, soil, and oil mixed with water are heterogeneous mixtures because their different components remain visibly separate. Homogeneous mixtures look uniform, while heterogeneous mixtures do not. The main difference is how evenly their components are distributed. Elements contain only one type of atom. They are pure substances and cannot be broken down into simpler substances by ordinary chemical means. Compounds contain different elements chemically bonded together. They are pure substances with properties different from their individual elements. Today, let's look at mixtures. Mixtures contain two or more substances physically combined. Their components retain many properties and can often be separated physically. Some mixtures can be separated by filtration. For example, filter paper can separate solid sand particles from liquid water. Evaporation can separate dissolved substances from liquids. When water evaporates, the dissolved salt can remain behind. Because mixtures are physically combined, different physical methods can separate their components without creating entirely new substances. Today, we learned that matter can be classified as elements, compounds, or mixtures based on the particles and substances it contains. Remember, elements contain one type of atom, compounds have chemically bonded elements, and mixtures contain physically combined substances. Understanding matter helps us understand our world. Keep observing, asking questions, and looking for the science behind everything around you. Keep asking, keep exploring, and remember, science starts with you. See you in our next science adventure.